Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gameplay Studio, and today I got here a model kit from Oldie, and this is from Aztec Frontier Kainar, and the antagonist from that series, the Dusak. This is the 1/100 scale model or the master grade version. So it says here the A-type, meaning it's like the equivalent of master grade for all the brands. Yes. And let's check this kit out and let's see what this Dusak model has to offer us mecha collectors. So Fangin Viran loose kit. And my dog is here also. Yep. So this is the Dusak from the Skeleton Pirates, the antagonist faction for that Aztec Frontier Kainar. And there we got this purple mobile suit here, and the box art here shows that, yep, this is a melee combatant mecha, and there are the grunt suits from the Pola units. Pola is the protagonist faction. So it's the 16th model kit. So I didn't collect all the variants for Aztec Frontier Oldie because to be honest, it's very hard to find nowadays, especially the armored Dusak. Supposed to be I much like the armored Dusak compared with this regular Dusak here. So if we open the kit here, we will see the instruction manual. So let's focus first with the instruction manual. So this is the picture, same with the box art, and there we can see explanation from the series written in Chinese and translated also in English, which is very nice. So parts list here is not that much. So as you can see, the parts are really simple. It's not that extravagant compared with the other antagonist kit from Bandai Gundam series. And there you can see the building process for this kit, and as judging the looks and pattern of this kit, this is not a hard kit to build. This is an easy kit to build due to the not complex instruction and the pattern. Okay, so let's go with the packages here. So we got first package here, second, third. I like the color, the purple. The purple color is very nice. It looks like an ice cream. So third, fourth. Yes, there's another shade of purple here. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th, and 12th pack. So this consists of 12 packages. So let's open this. As always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we got gray parts here for runner C. Got polycaps. And clear orange parts here for runner M. We got clear gray part here, runner N. I think this one for the visor. Then we got clear pink parts for the beam cutters. Then we got here gray runners for runner F. Another gray runners here for runner I. Then this very nice purple shade of purple, which is runner R, runner B, runner A. So these are for the armor pieces, and the hands, the articulated hands which is purple. My first time to see purple articulated hands. So this is runner E. Then we got runner S here for armor parts again. These are all purple color. Then we got gray parts, inner frame for runner H. Then we got this very cute shade of purple here, runner L. Then we got gray parts here, runner U. So this consists of all small runners. And we got runner K for the white parts, gray parts here, runner G, white parts again for runner J, gray parts runner D, black parts here for runner T, and red part for runner Q, and this small clear pink parts here for runner O. And last but not least, the runner V for this gray part. So let's build this kit and let's see what this kit will look like. And so the finished kit for all the Dusak from Asetak Frontier Kynar. So unang-una, ang ganda ng kulay ng kit na to dahil I like the shade of this kind of purple here. So ang ganda, oh. And this dark purple and this kind of purple here really complement each other. Sabayan pa ng meron siyang pink parts here, yung clear pink parts. So talagang perfect yung harmony ng kulay. So the color combination here are the white, tapos may clear orange, and yung scabbard ng kanyang sword ay kulay red, pati yung sa mukha niya kulay red. Very nice. Ang ganda nung combination ng kulay. So ang sarap sa mata. So ang ganda tingnan. So para siyang pagkain nga kung titignan ko. Para siyang cake or ube ice cream, something like that. So this kit is really nice. Ang ganda ng kanyang tindig. Ayan. And matangkad siyang kit compared to the Gundam kits here. If we're going to compare it with average height of Gundam here. Ayan. Mas matangkad siya sa Shining Gundam. And if we're going to compare it with average size master grade here, so still mas matangkad siya kumpara sa master grade Gundams. And so since hindi naman talaga siya Gundam, so let's compare it with the Kynar. So I got here the advanced precursor Kynar. So mas matangkad siya sa advanced precursor Kynar. So this is the average Kynar height. Ito 100 scale model kit din. And so let's go with the features of this kit. So this kit has a nice head here. As you can see, the head is really villainous. Talagang siya, talagang sinister looking. So parang siyang naka-smile. Ayan. And dalawa yung kanyang set ng mata. So tig-dalawa per face. Ayan. So 2 on each side. So 4 siya. Ang ganda. And if we're going to move the joints here, medyo swabe lang din. Ito dito sa may arms niya, kailangan medyo alalay lang. So it can rotate about 360 degrees, pero niingatan ko lang kasi medyo dito sa may shoulder armor, medyo may pagka sensitive yung plastic tsaka connection nitong shoulder armor part na to. Pero overall it's good, and it can raise up to this far the arms, and it can bend, or the elbows can bend 180 degrees almost. Ayan. Tapos meron siyang beam cutters dito. And at the same time, meron siyang yung physical cutter blades dito naman sa kanyang forearm. So, ang dami niyang armas. So, good for melee combat talaga tong ungas na to. And, meron pa siyang ibang weapon dito aside from the katana. He has the crossbow. So, the crossbow here, medyo na murder ko tong crossbow na to eh. So, the crossbow here can, yan, actually may gear yan. Alalay lang konti sa pagbukas ng kanyang gear. Pero kasi, ano siya eh, medyo mahigpit. Baka mabali natin yung mga gears. Excuse me. Ayan, so, ito yung kanyang crossbow. Ayan, beam crossbow. Then, dito pala sa ulo, hindi ko na pakita. Can rotate side to side, ganito. Hindi siya pwede mag 160 degrees. Pwede siyang tumungo, tsaka tumingala. Ganyan. Okay. Tapos dito naman sa waist niya, double jointed yan. Meron siyang joint dito sa may upper torso, tapos sa lower torso niya is ball joint, pero hindi masyadong nag-rotate ng maayos. So ganyan lang siya. Okay. Tapos ang cool nung kanyang crotch dito, ayan, meron siyang clear part, clear piece of plastic, tapos yung mga gems doon is ano siya, clear orange gems. Tapos dito naman sa kanyang dito sa front, walang front skirt, walang side skirt, pero meron siyang butt flap. Ito, interchangeable yan, so I didn't use the first face, so this is the second face butt skirt or butt flap. Ayan, so medyo tight lang ng konti yung kanyang joint dito, yung ball joint, so mahirap siyang galawin kasi manipis din yung connector ng ball joint na yan. So I'm afraid to break it if I play it so much. Tapos dito sa legs niya, it can kick. Okay, it can kick up to this far. Ayan, medyo mababa lang kanyang kick. And it can kick back up to that far. Ayan. Tapos can do some basic split. Ayan. Yan, ganyang split lang siya. Tapos can bend yung kanyang knees. It can bend up to this far. Ayan. Tapos yung kanyang legs, or dito sa may shin niya, merong booster. So meron ditong flap to open the boosters. Ayan. Okay, may booster siya dito. Tapos dito sa kanyang ankle, it can swivel side to side, and it can plantar extend and plantar flex ng ganyan. Tapos yung toe bend niya, okay din, may toe bend siya dito. Ayan. So para siyang nakatakong actually. Tingnan mo yung stura. Tapos ito, pwede siyang mag-move up and down. Okay. So sa kanyang main weapon, by the way, yung kamay pala nito is yung old style. No, it's not an old style. It's much better with the previous Kynar hands na 3 finger tapos yung pointer finger. So yung fingers niya dito are all separated. Hindi siya yung dikit-dikit na 3 fingers and 1 pointer finger. So these are all articulated, and ang ganda ng kulay, purple din. It's my first time to build a kit na may purple hands at articulated lahat ng fingers. So main weapon niya dito yung katanas. Yan. So nakalagay yan sa scabbard. Sad to say, yung scabbard niya sa ilalim ay open. So parang engot lang. And the katanas are connected in the hips. So if we're going to remove one katana, so ayan, it's a white blade, and it's up to you kung gusto mong pinturahan ng chrome silver yung kanyang blade para magmukha siyang real blade. But as of this manner here, para siyang toyish tingnan. Ayan, kasi white blade siya. Pero much better kung pipinturahan mo to ng chrome silver para magmukha siyang real blade. Ayun lang, kapag babalik mo yung katana, since open yung scabbard niya, parang tangang gaganyan yung blade niya, lalabas dun sa open space. So you can clip it back like this para mapasok dun yung blade. So ayan, napakasimpleng toy or napakasimpleng model kit netong Dusak, pero ang ganda naman ng kulay niya compared with the other Kynar model kit. Ito na yung pinakagusto kong kulay ng Kynar or yung model kit from that anime, Chinese anime series. It's hard to find the armored Dusak, but the armored Dusak color is not that appealing to me kasi kulay pula lang siya. Whereas this normal Dusak here, mas maganda yung color combination niya na purple and light purple with pink, white, and gray. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gamba Studio. Thank you so much for watching this quick review of Dusak from Ashitak Frontier Kynar by Oldie, the 1/100 scale or the master grade version for that company. So see you next time. Good night. God bless. Take care.